Ethereum is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that by and large has a genuinely present worth of $1,991.64 and a market capitalization of $239,507,298 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital currencies in a real sense have pretty lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, which really is very huge. These days, it's a resource class that truly is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate in a fundamentally large manner. Some extremely huge speculation banks in any event, in every practical sense, get Ethereum and sort of other cryptographic forms of money altogether to really safeguard their resources under administration, against a dashing expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, or so they sort of thought. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ETH market that truly depend on the readings of our exceptionally novel crypto unpredictability file that assists us with measuring the market feeling and basically expect where in which the market means to go in an unobtrusive manner in a real sense. At this point, the cost of Ethereum truly is $1,991.64, while the coin presently truly ends up at second spot in the truly generally most certainly positioning. The said fundamentally positioning is assessed based on the resource's kind of present value that basically is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that explicitly is applied all through every single monetary market, or so they for the most part thought. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients especially get the most applicable information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, or so they essentially thought. It's likewise vital to truly consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. On November 14, the cost of Ethereum most certainly was at $2,055.27 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change most certainly added up to 3.43%, which especially is very huge. 7 days prior, on November 8, ETH for the most part was esteemed at $1,888.12, which by and large intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has basically varied by 0% in a significant manner. A month prior, on October 15, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,557.65. In this way, the coin certainly has taken a 27.86% action to arrive at its most certainly present standings in a huge manner generally. The examination of market capitalization conveys really equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors, or so they by and large thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology truly is utilized to really decide the very by and large position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, kind of additional appearance how at this point, the cost of Ethereum truly is $1,991.64, while the coin as of now for the most part winds up at second spot in the general positioning. Extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Changes in market capitalization, positive or genuinely negative, generally are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resource's truly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both sort of short and sort of long-haul viewpoints, which especially is very critical. This sort of specific genuinely metric is likewise used to check the strength of Ethereum, comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, or so they generally thought. To decide the by and large current market capitalization of ETH, we fundamentally increase the circling supply, the boundary that will in a real sense be basically made sense of later by the really present worth of the digital money under survey, showing that a month prior, on October 15, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,557.65 in this manner. The coin for the most part has taken a 27.86% action to by and large arrive at its kind of present standings, or so they explicitly thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum basically remains at $239,507,298 which shapes the reason for truly present extremely positioning truly was referenced before, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on November 14, ETH for the most part had a market capitalization of $247,166,782,174, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Keep going week. On November 8, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $227.08 when 592. Genuinely further appearance hit a month prior. In October 15, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,557.65. Hence, the coin generally has taken a 27.86% action to arrive at its sort of present standings for the most part. A month prior, on October 15, the market worth of Ethereum in every practical sense was evaluated to explicitly be $187,326,993. So yesterday, in November 14, ETH truly hit a market capitalization of $240,166,782,174, so the truly thought. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that by and large have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, genuinely further appearance, how to sort of decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ETH. We explicitly increase the circling supply, the boundary that will truly be certainly made sense of later. By the current worth of the digital money under survey, showing that a month prior, on October 15, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,557.65. Consequently, the coin truly has taken a 27.86% action to for the most part arrive at its certainly present standings, which is very critical. These digital currencies can basically be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which in a real sense is very critical. This in every practical sense. Metric likewise considers the coins that sort of have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which in every way that really matters is applied to control the expansion rate in a genuinely large manner. At this point, the essentially complete stock of Ethereum is laid out at 122,256,040 ETH in an unobtrusive manner. In conclusion, the circling supply sort of is utilized to work out the market capitalization and most certainly evaluate the coins really current remaining in the positions, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. It means the kind of in general measure of ETH that basically is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that for the most part are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly sort of put unavailable for general use out of the blue, or so they explicitly thought. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that really have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million in every practical sense are the most appropriate for kind of long-haul speculation, since they especially are generally prone to sort of value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Pretty further appearance how some fundamentally huge venture banks even truly get Ethereum and extremely other digital currencies all at once to sort of safeguard their resources under administration, against a dashing expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors, or so they explicitly thought. At this point, Ethereum certainly has a circling supply of 120,256,040 coins, which shows that Ethereum generally is a highest level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH that explicitly has an essentially present worth of